Welcome. In front of me is a Hotwav Note 12, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card into your phone. And before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, either the paper clip or the tool, if you have a case, take it off. And the tray is located at the left top side of the phone, so right over here. You can see we have a little insert area, just using your tube. This one is too thick. Let's grab other one, there we go. As you can see, that's where the pin goes, and you want to just simply push it in. When you do so, you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for SIM card and SD card, or two different SIM cards. If you're planning to use dual SIM, obviously you won't be able to use an SD card, and one of those SIM cards would go sideways on the SD tray like so. But I'm going to be occupying one of each, so let's move it over, rub this one in here, and there we go. Now when inserting this tray back into your device, do be careful about it. There's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could kind of, like, just to demonstrate, do this pretty easily. I mean, maybe not this kind of severe jump, but get loose, not be correctly seated on the tray. So if the tray isn't going in easily, you don't want to force it in there. It does have a little bit of resistance, but it's nothing severe, so you shouldn't have much problem getting it seated correctly in there. Anyway, once you insert it, it will automatically start working. So my SIM card does have a pin, which I need to confirm right now, and doing so will give me access to the device. So SIM card is obviously working, and now let's look at the SD card, which we should have, there we go, a notification that it detected it, and I can tap to set it up. So there we go, both of them are working just fine. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.